Malacanang reiterates that the Aquino administration is committed to serving the people until 2016. The clarification followed calls for another term for the president. Elena Luna reports.
Malacanang expressed gratitude for the confidence of the many Filipinos in President Aquino following the growing number of calls in social media for the re-election of the chief executive.
Umaabot kay Pangulong Aquino yung ganong klaseng mga sentimento. At we're very thankful of the support and expression of a preference for another term. But maraming salamat po doon sa mga ganong klaseng sentimento.
The President's party mate, DILG Secretary Marojas, has expressed the same sentiment for the President to continue his reforms beyond 2016.
Secretary Marojas is expressing a personal preference, not a party stance.
Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda cited the reforms, poverty alleviation interventions, and transparency measures that led many to express the sentiment for another term of office. He said the president is sensitive to the voice of his boss, the Filipino people, but stressed the chief executive's position against charter change. Changing the term of the president will need constitutional amendment.
This is not something that we have discussed seriously, knowing fully well his stand on charter change.
Despite the call for re-election, the Aquino administration says they will continue with governance undistracted.
Tuloy ang focus ng ating gobyerno sa paglutas ng ating mga concerns ng ating bayan. It will not detract us from focusing on serving the Filipino people. These discussions are all in the realm of theory, what-ifs, realm of possibilities. But the here and now, we're concerned with the here and now. We're concerned with dealing with the concerns of the people. So does it detract us from the governance that we're doing right now? No, it does not. We're fully committed to serving out till 2016.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.